we'll be showing you how to post a story on Instagram. Whether you're new to Instagram or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from capturing a moment and adding stickers, to making your story stand out. Let's jump right into it. Before we dive into how to post a story, let's quickly go over what Instagram stories are. Stories are a feature that allows you to share photos, videos, or text that disappear after 24 hours. It's a great way to share moments with your followers in a more casual and temporary way. Stories appear at the top of your followers' feeds in the Stories bar, and they won't stay on your profile unless you add them to your highlights. Instagram stories are fun, quick, and easy to post, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus icon from the bottom center. Now tap on the Story tab from the bottom. You have a few options for what you want to share in your story. Tap the circular button at the bottom of the screen to snap a picture. Hold down the circular button to record a video. Videos in stories can be up to 15 seconds long. If you want to use a picture or video you've already taken, tap the small gallery icon at the bottom left to choose from your phone's gallery. Just use one of these options to make or choose the base image. Now that you've taken or uploaded your photo/video, it's time to personalize it. Tap the IA text icon to write something on your story. You can change the font style and color to match your theme. Use your fingers to resize or move text, stickers, or emojis around the screen. Swipe left or right to choose from various filters to give your story a unique look. Tap the sticker icon at the top, it looks like a square smiley face, to add fun stickers, GIFs, emojis, polls, music, and more. Instagram Stories offers several interactive features that make your stories more engaging for your followers. You can ask your followers questions by adding the poll sticker to your story. Your followers can vote, and you can see the results in real time. Use the question sticker to let your followers ask you questions, which you can then answer in future stories. Add a quiz sticker to create fun, interactive quizzes for your followers. You can customize the answers and see who got them right. Countdowns. If you're hosting an event or have something exciting coming up, use the countdown sticker to build anticipation among your followers. Instagram also allows you to add music to your story. To do this, tap on the music sticker in the stickers section, search for a song, and choose the part of the song you want to include. The lyrics of the song can appear on your story as well, and you can customize the style of the music sticker. Once you're done adding filters, text, stickers, or music, it's a good idea to quickly review your story to make sure it looks the way you want. Tap on the arrow from the bottom right. Tap on the sharing option to see all the details about your share. Before you post your story, you can decide who gets to see it. Tap on the second option before posting to choose whether your story is visible to all of your followers, close friends. Instagram allows you to create a close friends list, so you can share stories only with selected people. Hide story. If there's someone specific you don't want to see this story, you can manually hide it from them in the story settings. Once you're satisfied with your story and have chosen your audience, tap share at the bottom to post it. Your story will now be live for 24 hours and visible to your chosen audience at the top of their Instagram feed. Sometimes you might want to keep certain stories visible on your profile for longer than 24 hours. This is where story highlights come in. Go to your Instagram profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Below your bio, you'll see a section labeled Story Highlights. Tap the plus icon to create a new highlight. Choose the story you want to add to your highlights from the list of your past stories and tap Next. Give your highlight a name, then tap Done. This will keep your story visible on your profile indefinitely, even after the 24-hour story limit. After you've posted your story, here's how you can view and manage it. Once posted, you can view your own story by tapping on your profile picture at the top of your feed or from your profile. To check who's viewed your story, simply tap on your story while it's live. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the view count and a list of usernames who have viewed it. If you decide you no longer want a story to be visible, you can delete it before the 24 hours are up. Tap on your story, then tap the three dots in the bottom right corner and select Delete. And that's how you post an Instagram story, whether it's sharing daily moments, promoting content, or engaging with followers through interactive features. Stories are a fun and powerful way to connect with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.